Welcome to Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary for market week ending Friday, November 14th, 2014. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull-bear point and figure ratio rose from 1.12 to 1.15, continuing in bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns fell 3%. to 2,536. The count of bearish stocks decreased 4%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 2%. The Sand to Pearls PNF Market Breadth Summary chart shows us a market now 3 weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Open Office Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking Membership, and clicking Sign Up. For those who are interested, a free 2-week trial subscription is available. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 152 points for the fourth advance in 4 weeks. At a positive 128 points, it continues below all 9 tops above plus 100 and above all 7 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 3 years. Market Gauge Volume Analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq 100 Trust ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. In the last 2 weeks, it had 0 accumulation days and 0 distribution days. Of the other indexes, both the Diamonds Trust and the S&P 500 Deposit Receipts ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Nasdaq 100 Trust also ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily continues its Woody's uptrend and at plus 86.39 remains above plus 50 outside the range for a valid zero-line reject entry signal. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 19 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 2 weeks ago. At 144.83, the CCI 20 weekly in a Woody's uptrend remains outside the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and only 3 of the bottom 5 are negative. Bullish, S&P Retail has left the bottom 5 and entered the top 5. Comp Tech has entered the top 5. Oil has entered the bottom 5. Bearish, REITs continues in the bottom 5. Networkers and brokers have left the top 5. Gold and silver has left the bottom 5 and has entered the top 5. Focus this week from www.valuewalk.com, The Winners of the Current Collapse in Gas Prices by Frank Holmes. Quoting from the article, low crude prices benefit Asian markets the most because they tend to be net importers of oil and petroleum. On top of that, a large portion of the population in these countries spends a significant amount of their weekly income on gas. In the case of India, as much as 30%. The biggest winners, then, are Asian countries such as India, Philippines, Thailand, and Indonesia. China, the world's largest net importer of oil, second only to the entire continent of Europe, also benefits. For every dollar that the price of oil drops, its economy saves about $2 billion annually. Even though it just signed a multi-billion-dollar multi-year gas supply deal with Russia, China plans on tapping into its own shale gas resources, estimated to be the largest in the world. Because the United States continues to be a net importer of crude and petroleum, it imports around 6.5 million barrels a day, according to CLSA. It has benefited as well, but its dependence on foreign oil is falling fast. In the chart below, you can see how break-even prices increase as both global oil demand grows and the geological formation requires more sophisticated and expensive extraction methods. Which industries and companies have benefited? As we can see from this chart, automobile manufacturers, airlines, and aluminum. Thank you for watching this week's Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary, offered by Donald Pearl, www.s2pmarketsignal.com. Hoping that you are enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you have a great week coming up, and wishing you true success.